Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and welcome to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. Friends, in my today's video, I'm going to share very beautiful, very stylish, classy and eye-catchy design ideas of hand embroidery patterns. Yes friends, absolutely you have heard me right. All of these designs are very stylish, trendy and amazing at the same time. So friends, if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And on my channel you can get all type of amazing, trendy, stylish and easy to make hand embroidery ideas related to girls fashion designing, baby frock designing ideas, fabric painting, crochet ideas and many more creative DIY ideas related to fashion world. So stay tuned, keep watching my content, and please don't forget to leave comments below so that we could get to know what you feel about our content or what you want us to share with you on daily basis. So this was my humble request and hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, please friends, do take care of yourselves and your loved ones, and please massively share my videos with your friends and family, and hope to see you soon back with my new content. Up till then, take care and stay blessed.